Best deals. Easily stacked one on top of other, magically creating more space in your wardrobe. Avoid crease in clothes. The stackable design maintains its shape with a sturdy metal frame and folds flat for storage when not in use. It can be used to store everything from your clothes, bed sheets, towels, kids' toys, books or any other items. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Drawer organizers. Keep your undergarments in perfect condition. Soft yet durable material prevents snagging and ensures lasting use. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Wardrobe organizer. Constructed from premium polypropylene, this super strong clothes organizer features reinforced frames and sidewall construction, ensuring long-lasting stability. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Shirt stacker. Organize and store all your shirts and clothes neatly and systematically, made from non-woven fabric to make it more durable and classy in hard plastic board. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Sari cover. Perfect solution for storing saris in one place and easily seeing through the front transparent window. Make more space at home with our products. Zipper is more sturdy and not easy to break. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wardrobe organizer. Easily clean and organize your belongings with our drawer dividers, tailored to your needs. Keep your space tidy and functional with our innovative solution, made with high-quality breathable non-woven fabric which is odorless and does not tear easily. The organizer is cardboard reinforced with a strong durable zipper to make these drawer organizers sturdy. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Blanket bag. Constructed with high-quality PEVA material. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Travel organizer. Comes with 7 pieces which helps in separating different clothes with packing cubes of multiple sizes. Travel organizer come with large interior volume, holds all your travel clothing, shoes, makeup, shaving accessories and more, made of tear-resistant nylon fabric, durable and waterproof. Large interior volume holds all your travel clothing, shoes, makeup, shaving accessories and more. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Foldable cloth storage box. Bins are made of non-woven and cardboard material, with the feature of durable, breathable, environmentally friendly and anti-wrinkle free, also can avoid mold and insects, will meet your long-term storage needs. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Organizers. Built with high-quality, odorless non-woven fabric and sturdy cardboard, this clothes organizer for wardrobe maintains its structure and resists wear, ensuring durability in any storage box for wardrobe. Perfect as an organizer for wardrobe spaces. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Organizer. Built-in steel frame provides stability, keeps the box in shape, and allows for easy stacking without collapsing. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Clothes organizer. Designed for efficiency, the drawer storage organizer works seamlessly with the cupboard organizer for clothes, ensuring every piece of clothing has its space. Foldable wardrobe for clothes can be easily assembled and disassembled. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer. Easily stacked one on top of the other, magically creating more space in your wardrobe. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Transparent bag. Made from transparent heavy-duty PVC, these storage bags offer superior toughness, tear resistance, and abrasion resistance, making them durable for long-term use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Clothes organizer. Using these drawer organizer pants storage organizers, your closet will transform from utter chaos to categorized in just a few minutes. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Wardrobe. The plastic cupboard for clothes consists of 6 storage cubes, a side hanger, and a small hammer, perfectly meeting different storage needs. Each door of the cube organizer features hole handles for air circulation and odor prevention. The portable almirah for clothes is made of PP plastic panels, rust-proof steel frames, plastic ABS connectors, door magnets and a small hammer. Waterproof, lightweight, dust-resistant, and easy to clean. The storage unit for bedroom is waterproof, dirt-resistant, and cleanable and offers ample space to keep toys, books, files, clothes, blankets, shoes, boxes, etc. It can be used in the office, living room, bedroom, study room, school, nursery and other places to make your space more tidy. Wipe it with a wet cloth for daily cleaning. The parts can be easily assembled and dismantled independently, using the foldable cupboard in positions like higher, wider, ladder shapes as separate individual cubes according to your convenience. Wardrobe for storage is easy to assemble, disassemble, and move around, perfect for the folded stuffs like dresses, shirts, pants, handbags or hats. There is extra space for placing shoes at the bottom, and makes it easier to clean the room at the same time, to make sure that your clothes are away from dust and keep them fresh, clean and tidy. The breathable portable wardrobe storage closet provides superior protection for your clothes, specifically designed to maximize your storage space. This cupboard for storage can be easily folded and stored away when not in use, making it ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or spaces with limited storage. The panels and multi-angle connectors of the plastic almirah can be easily interconnected, ensuring a hassle-free and time-saving assembly experience. Plus, a free handy hammer to aid you in the quick installation process. Wardrobe consists of 6 storage cubes and 1 hanging area, providing ample storage space and hanging area for children's clothes, shoes, toys, books and other sundries. And each cube is fitted with a door, which helps to hide the mess from sight. The frame of the panel is made of high-quality plastic with aluminium frame, which is strong and not easy to deform. High-quality resin composite materials with steel frame ensure each cube or hanging section supports up to 10 lbs. Storage wardrobe can be modified according to your organizational needs and space. Cubes can be used alone or combined, making them flexible and suitable for your children. The hanging pole can also be fixed in different positions according to your needs. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Bed Storage Organizer. The under-bed storage container is made of upgraded metal pipes and breathable non-woven fabric to protect your clothes from dust and moisture. Compared to linen under-bed storage which tear easily, a metal under-bed storage is more durable and have better load-bearing capacity to meet your long-term storage needs. Under-bed storage with wheels feature 2 reinforced handles and 4 360 degrees rotating wheels allow under-bed storage containers to slide easily across the floor or carpet. 2 of the wheels have a locking function, and when you need it to stay still, you just gently press the locking mechanism. The front of under-bed storage with wheels has large transparent see-through PVC window for quick viewing what are stored inside the container. Product link is given in the 16th link.